Welcome to the LeetCode Week 2 Day 1 challenge. Actually, this problem is quite easy. What does it say is, it says finding the sublist. If we are given a list, then that sublist which should start from the middle of the list and the entire list should be in the output. For example, if I am given 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, then the list from 3, 4 and 5 should be in the output. Then the doubt comes, like if they are even number of elements, then what should be in the output is like for the 6, should it start from the 3 or from 4? Like output can be from 3, 4, 5, 6 or 4, 5, 6, which one? So I will say from the middle plus 1, which is always a greater value, from that till the end. Now how to do it? What I will do now, I will use the concept of 2 pointers, and reason for using these 2 pointers is that because this method is actually one of the most important methods used in the competitive world. Not only here, but also in the dynamic programming and most important places we use the concept of using 2 pointers. Now see, actually this is a very easy concept. What I will do now? I will initialize 2 pointers, and on the basis of the computation of these 2 pointers only, I will evaluate and win the entire game. How? See, I will take 2 pointers, one named slow and another named fast. So what I will do, I will iterate the slow pointer by 1 and the fast pointer by 2 steps. For example, like initially what I will do, I will point both slow and fast to the initial head. In the next iteration, what I will do, I will iterate this slow by 1, but the fast it always be iterated by 2. See, slow here, fast here. And on that condition also, I will be just checking whether fast next is null or not. If it is null, then I will directly return the list starting from the slow. For example, see, in the next iteration, what I will do, I will check for this. Slow is pointing to 3, fast is pointing to 5. In the next iteration, before going to the next iteration, I will just check, is fast next null or not? Then yeah, here nothing is there. That means it is null. So what I will do, I will return the entire list pointed by the slow variable. Like slow is pointing here, then only return the list starting from the slow. So what we will get? We will get 3, 4, 5 in the output. Actually, this might be seeing like 2 pointers is a very tough concept, but it is not like this. It's all about the imagination, how to play with the code. As you can see, it was a simple program, just of like you can see nothing. Like logic was all about these 2-3 lines. So just what you have to understand, you should not being afraid from the coding. It's quite interesting to understand. Just go with the flow, go with the logic and keep on coding. Thanks.